Can L-arginine improve your gut health? What science really says about this popular supplement? Could a simple amino acid be the missing link to a healthier, more resilient gut? In recent years, L-arginine has stepped into the spotlight not just as a performance booster, but as a possible ally for digestive wellness. But does science truly support its benefits for gut health, or is this just another overhyped supplement? L-arginine is a semi-essential amino acid involved in multiple metabolic processes, particularly the production of nitric oxide NO, a molecule that enhances blood flow and supports vascular function. While its reputation is strong in the fitness world, emerging research is beginning to highlight its potential influence on gastrointestinal health. The connection lies in nitric oxide's role in modulating blood circulation and immune response within the gut lining. Healthy blood flow ensures that the intestines receive adequate oxygen and nutrients, which supports cellular repair and barrier integrity. More importantly, NO also plays a part in reducing inflammation and supporting the gut's natural defense system, key elements in preventing leaky gut, colitis, and even irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). Studies in both animals and humans suggest that L-arginine may help strengthen the intestinal barrier and improve gut microbiota diversity. One clinical trial even linked L-arginine supplementation to reduced intestinal permeability, meaning fewer toxins and pathogens can pass through the gut lining into the bloodstream. However, the science is still evolving. While results are promising, some studies report inconsistent outcomes, possibly due to differences in dosage, duration, and individual metabolic responses. Additionally, excessive L-arginine can disrupt amino acid balance and may lead to gastrointestinal discomfort in sensitive individuals. For those interested in using L-arginine to support gut health, the key is personalization. Start with moderate doses under medical supervision and pair supplementation with other gut-friendly habits: fiber-rich foods, probiotics, stress management, and hydration. L-arginine may not be a magic bullet, but when integrated thoughtfully, it could be a valuable piece in the complex puzzle of digestive wellness. Have you tried L-arginine and noticed changes in your gut health or digestion?